What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special video. You might notice that I'm a little bit stuffy. It's getting cold out. As you can see all these boxes behind me, we are going to be unboxing 26 different $500 mystery boxes, which is absolutely crazy. That's a lot. Now, to break this down to make a little bit more sense to you guys, you can see it's not exactly 26 boxes right here, but within these boxes is broken down 26 different $500 boxes. Basically, you guys see me buy these mystery boxes from different websites, different stores. I wanted to take things into my own hands and start making some myself, give you guys the opportunity to buy mystery boxes, to make a profit off the boxes, and basically just show you guys the possibilities of my own Harrison Nevel mystery boxes. So within these boxes are items that are Supreme, Off-White, Gucci. There's endless opportunities for what can be inside these boxes. Now, these are direct from boutiques. These are direct from official accounts, which means that I'm able to get these items at under retail cost. Some of them are new, some of them are used. It gives me the opportunity to sell you guys stuff at a lower price and basically create my own power with mystery boxes. Now, if you guys are curious how I made this connection, there's another YouTuber. I don't know if I'll name him. You guys will be able to put together the pieces of it. But basically, if you guys don't know, Kicks Under Cost and Clothes Under Cost on Twitter, they're basically a Twitter account that's been running for about 5 years. They have connections and post so many different deals, how to get things under retail, and they built up connections, and I've been able to reach out through them to go ahead and make this possible. So I know it's a lot of talking. This is a lot of stuff here. So if you guys want to be exact, this is $13,155 value-wise of what's in these boxes. How this is going to work is I'm going to basically open all these up, show you all the items in them. They sent me a manifest of everything that's on the inside, but I didn't look at it. I wanted to be surprised when all this stuff came, so that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to get to see what's inside. Now, this video would not be possible without SeatGeek, so thank you to SeatGeek for sponsoring this video. SeatGeek is an app that helps you buy tickets in the easiest way possible, and if you guys use code Harrison, you get $20 off your purchase. SeatGeek just announced a new thing called the Daily Tap, where it's basically a daily opportunity to win things such as free tickets and discounts. This month, they're going to be giving away hundreds of prizes, including tickets to Post Malone, the Jonas Brothers, and more. You're basically missing out on a free opportunity to win tickets for free. So again, don't forget to use code Harrison for $20 off your first purchase. Thank you to SeatGeek for sponsoring this video. They're able to help me take my dad to Post Malone last weekend. It was so much fun. Thank you again to SeatGeek. In these boxes is going to be a mixture of clothing and sneakers, so there's a bunch of different stuff, all in variable sizes. We're gonna start with a clothing box just to show you guys some of the stuff to start. Again, this is gonna be very quick. I don't wanna like sit here forever and talk for days and days, so let's open this bad boy up, show you some of the stuff that we got going. Now, these boxes will be available 3 hours after this video goes live on Tuesday. That's gonna be 9 p.m. Eastern on harrisonnevel.com. Now, there's gonna be kind of a range of stuff. There's gonna be a lot of $500 boxes. There might be some $250 boxes as well. Now, there's gonna be more than just what you see here. There's gonna be pictures of what's in the box on there, but also I'm gonna be putting Supreme accessories. I'm gonna be putting some free stuff from Rejuvenator in there, as well as one lucky person is going to get a pair of sneakers, an extra pair of sneakers in their box. That could be anything from Yeezy to Off-White. You guys have to wait and see. Let's open these up, see what we got, and I'm already seeing a Supreme logo. An example of some stuff that we got going on here. We got a Nike Supreme crew neck right here, size large. This is from this year. Current stuff. This is not old bricks. This is a lot of good stuff. Another thing right here, we have a Stone Island. It looks like a turtleneck kind of, or crew neck in a peach color. You see the Stone Island right there. A lot of these are used. Right here we have, I think this is versus Versace crew neck right there. Pretty fire. We got some Neil Barrett and Neil Barrett jacket. That's a little bit more on the designer side. The designer brand I'm not really sure about. Mason Kitsune. Not very familiar with that, but we'll keep moving. An Adidas crew neck, a Pharrell Williams Hue crew neck. This is really cool, like the NMDs. This matches like what I'm wearing right now. Continuing, I'm just gonna pull all this stuff out. You guys can just see briefly. This stuff is actually sick. We have a bunch of Uniqlo Cause t-shirts. I love this. These are such good shirts. The value of these is like 40 bucks. It's still not bad, and you're getting Cause Uniqlo, really good stuff, all size XL. We got some Bape tees. We got a Supreme tee. This is from last season, I believe. We got a Supreme crew neck right here. I'd wear this actually. We got a Yeezy Season 4. So this is the actual Yeezy line, not like Adidas. Ooh, look at that. It says Calabasas on the sleeves. We have a Kith box logo crew neck right there. Another really cool piece. What is this? This is just a Super Mario crew neck. Something a little random, something a little different. And then a Supreme Nike jacket. Oh, there's another tee right here. Supreme tee. A Supreme Nike jacket. You can see it's got the reflective Supreme in the back. This is from last season. This is a really cool piece. These had to be at least $250 to $300. All right, I'm getting hot in here. I gotta take this off. So that's the first box right there of just clothing alone. You have Supreme. You have Bape. You have Kith. You have Uniqlo Cause. All the stuff that I literally would wear all of it. I honestly want to keep a lot of this stuff, but I can't. But I'm gonna go ahead. This first box, put these to the side. All of these are gonna be mixed up. It's gonna be strategically where you guys, if you buy a $500 box, it's going to be worth $600. Plus you get free sneaker cleaning products. Plus you're getting a random accessory from Supreme. I want to make this worth it because whenever I buy stuff and it's not worth it, I don't like that. Let's move on to the next box. This one feels light, so maybe it's some shoes. Guys, we still have 10 more boxes. I'm telling you, these are gonna be some crazy mystery boxes for you guys. That's the point of it. Now with the sneakers, this is gonna vary. Now there are a lot of them in size 10 to 12, I believe. And some of them are not gonna be super hype. Some are gonna be regular, but you can get multiple pairs in a $500 box. So example, first one right here, we have a pair of Nike Flyknit. These are the Lunar Lawns. Yep, size 10.5. We have a pair of, whoa, these are unique. Used pair of Nike, I've never seen these before. Nike SFB 6-inch canvas, like a cool hiking shoe. We also have a pair of Nike Air Prestos right here. A different colorway, like a rainbow colorway. Used pair. We got 2 more pairs in here. We have a pair of Adidas Gazelles, I believe. No, these are the Alpha Bounce M Arima. Dang, these are nuts. That is crazy. It looks like a sea urchin or something. Another pair of Adidas. And then we have a pair of Nike Sock Racers. These are weird. I don't know how you could price these. It'll probably be something that I just put in there for free with somebody's. Those are a funny thing. Retail $115. I can admit, that's a weird shoe. Let's see if we can grab another sneaker box. Oh yeah, on the topic of sneakers, we have a giveaway going on. The Sean WotherSpoon Air Max 97-1, size 12, free pair for you guys. All you have to do for that is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then comment on this Instagram post on the screen, tagging 2 people, and you'll be entered to win. Also, I talked about it on Instagram, but if my last video gets 10,000 likes, I will go ahead and give away a pair of Jordan 6 Travis Scotts as the next giveaway. So go ahead, click the link in the description, go to that video. I'll be giving away a pair of Travis 6s as the next giveaway once this is over. All right, keep it moving and get this going. I literally lose my knife every 5 seconds. See if I can just rip this tape off. All right, let's go. We have more sneakers. We got some Adidas, some Nikes. First, we have a pair of NMD CS2 PK Prime Knits. Ooh, I remember when these came out. I really wanted these. Size 10.5, blue. Used pair right there. Then we have a pair of Nike. Ooh, this box is crazy. Nike Air Max 95s in, ooh, what is this? These are nuts. Air Max 95s. I'm not a big 95 guy, but I know a lot of people love these. That's a cool sneaker. Looks like we got some Yeezys in here. That's really cool. Yeezy 500 in the, ooh, what is this? The blush colorway. Honestly, was not expecting Yeezys to be in here. That's really cool. Used pair as well. With them being used, that means you guys can get them at cheaper prices, get multiple pairs of good stuff. Yeezy 500s. And then after that, we have a pair Nike Lunar Pick Low Flyknits. Pull these out. These are crazy. Look at those colors. That's a nice little running shoe, everyday shoe. Crazy, crazy color. Lunar Lawn. There's 9 pairs of sneakers right there. That could be in your $500 box. So I'm excited for these boxes to start putting them together. After we unbox all this, I'm gonna show you guys some of the boxes that are made together because we're gonna pick out exactly what's gonna be in each one and let you guys know when you buy it. Let's move for some more sneakers. Let's go. Pull these out. All right, we got more. We got some Timberlands, limited release Timberlands. Timberlands are way too big for my feet, my skinny legs. We have a pair, where is it? Timberland. Got a dust bag in there, limited release. Some nice, dang, these are really good quality leather Timberlands right there. Again, I'm not a big Timberland person, but this is like a perfect snow boot right there. Snow boot, work boot. Get you a pair of Tims. That to the side. We got some Adidas. Oh, these are actually a pair of Pumas. They have a different box. Gold Pumas. Those are bright gold. Like you got 24 carats on your feet. We got a pair of, ooh, Jordan 11 lows, it looks like. Yep, Jordan 11 lows in the black. These are like the crocodile. Those are nuts. Look at that. Snake skin, not crocodile. Snake skin. Jordan 11 lows. These are all similar in my size. We're 10, 10.5, 10, 12. Then we have a pair of Sauconys. These are the Saucony Bodega Shadows, UK 10. Look at those. Some really good quality on there. Some nice Sauconys. Look at this. This is so many shoes. And being able to buy these at a price to where I can sell them to you at an affordable price or sell the mystery box where you guys can make money is what matters. This is what's fun to me. Not buying these at a price where I have to try to match the resale price or something that I pay on it. So we're gonna move a bunch of these sneakers to the couch over there, make it easier. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do one more clothing box. Feels like a bunch of clothing. And then I'm gonna do a time lapse of me pulling everything out. They're gonna show you random pieces that I really like to save some mystery for you guys when you're buying these. I think you guys are gonna like a lot of this stuff, but I'm gonna do a time lapse of pulling everything out and showing you just the massive inventory that's gonna be available. So we'll pull this out and show you guys just a few more things. Now, first thing up here, we got a Bape hoodie, or this is like a...
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
Siri trying to talk to me. So we have a, looks like a Bape Milo. This looks like a baby Milo. Zip up hoodie right here. We have something purple. What is this? This is a Supreme hoodie in large. Looks like there's nothing on it. Oh, on the hood, it's a Supreme right there. Nice purple hoodie. I literally would wear this every day. I'm gonna have to buy this mystery box up myself. We got a nice Patagonia down fleece right there. That's actually really nice. Looks like vintage or something. That's cool. Got a nice Patagonia fleece. We have another Supreme hoodie in yellow. Check that out right there. Like a banana color. Ooh, this is a C2H4 hoodie. I've had so so much C2H4 stuff. Yup. I got some stuff at Complex Con last year. You can see they have a nice like rugged like tech wear look. Looks like we got, whoa, this is like a weird sweatshirt. John Elliott sweatshirt right there. Really good quality. Supreme Lacoste right there. Still got the tags with it. Then we have another Supreme zip up right here with this logo. I've seen this logo all over. I forget what it's called. Size large, nice blue zip hoodie. It looks like we got, this is like a crazy, is this Neil Barrett? What is this? We have a nice like zip hoodie. I'm not sure exactly what this is. I'll have to look up on the manifest what this exactly is. And then we have a Kith hoodie. Look at this, is sick. Pink right there, Matt. This is a sick hoodie. I literally would wear this. I'd wear literally 90% of this stuff. So there's the second box. Now, I'm gonna do a time lapse. This is so much good stuff, and I'm able to get it at a price where I can sell it to you guys at what it's actually worth in less. Well, basically the point of the mystery box is to sell you guys stuff at a cheaper price so you guys can make money off of it, or you're just getting a better bang for your buck. That's what we're doing. Now we're gonna do a time lapse, everything being unboxed, because we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. That was like 4 or 5 boxes out of 13. So let's go ahead, time lapse it up. Just from that box alone, this is all Supreme and Bape tees. This is like Stone Island, designer. We got Pablo merch, Bape, Adidas, a bunch of good stuff there. This is crazy. Just an update, we have 3 more boxes left, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 more pairs of sneakers that we got. All of this stuff, we got Stone Island, Anti-Social Club, Yeezy Season, Pablo merch, Stone Island. There's so much good stuff. Like, this is like a whole collection, literally. This is like a collection of stuff. I could have made this video that as well. But we're gonna have 3 more boxes, another time lapse. I just am running out of room to put this stuff. So here is everything. A lot more shoes than I expected, but a ton of clothing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to organize these into mystery boxes that I want them to be in, where the value makes sense. This is gonna take a lot of time. We're gonna be going through the manifest, making sure everything is worth it for every person who buys a box. Then I'm gonna show you guys each box, then show you what we're gonna be putting on the inside. So I'm excited. I'm ready. A lot of stuff here. Let's move on to that. I actually just got a call, and my car's been being worked on the past 2 days. I'm getting a bunch of mods done. So actually, I'm gonna go down there. I might show you guys some footage of that real quick. Now, I'm making content on a different channel with car stuff, but I wasn't gonna tell you guys about it because I want to build its own audience if people are interested. But if you're really interested in it, you guys can maybe try to search and try to find some stuff on it with my R8. Maybe that might be able to help you, but we got a bunch of videos stacked up we're gonna be posting, and just kind of like a second thing outside of like clothing and stuff, so you guys can focus on Hypebeast stuff here and not car stuff. But if you want to see that, let me know. So it's actually the next day now, and I decided to wait for all the boxes to come in. So there's one of them right there. The rest are all back there. All the boxes are here. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to organize each box as it's supposed to be in the box. So I went ahead, I went on the spreadsheet, and I organized each one for the value that it's supposed to be. I'm gonna line them up here, put them all together, put them in the boxes, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and take pictures, put them on the website and stuff like that. So now it's time to just go through all this. Hopefully everything is documented properly. Look at all these shoes. Look at that collection right there. So now, let's put together these mystery boxes and see what's gonna happen. I didn't plan organizing this stuff that great, so it's taking me forever to find each piece. So I don't think I'm gonna film this because it will be 2 hours of footage, but I basically have to organize all this now, and I'll check back in once I'm a little bit closer, but it's very tough because I'm not smart and didn't organize it, so I gotta do that now. All right, so I actually started to get the hang of it, and now it's coming together pretty easy. I've got 5 boxes made up on the counter over there. Nick's about to come out and start boxing them to make it easier so we don't have to go through and do it because there's just gonna be stuff everywhere, but we're gonna be boxing each one of them up and going from there and decorating the boxes. But it's getting a little bit easier, so let's keep going on. Another 15 minutes has passed and we're not making much. I mean, we've got a couple boxes done, but again, it's gonna take forever. So now is when I'm gonna cut back and check in once we get most of it done. This is a mess. Now, all the boxes are laid out right here. As you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of them. Now, I wanna show you guys an example of a box. So I'm gonna have Nick hold the camera and then he's gonna tell me a random number. I'm gonna show you which mystery box that is. Now, you can pick between like 26 numbers. So Nick, take the camera. Let me know which one you wanna see. And we're gonna go from there. So Nick, let's hear it. What you wanna see?
I want to see 11.
11. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 right here. Pull this out. You guys kind of might have seen this box actually. So number 11, we have a pair of Adidas NMD right there. We have the Pharrell Williams tie-dye crew neck right there. This thing is sick. Like, I actually really like that. We have the Yeezy blush. Pull this out right there. Yeezy 500 blush. And then we have a pair. This is like the Adidas box. This is the Adidas box. Adidas NMD R1 PK, but it's not. So if you get this box, these are actually the Puma Gold. These are like 200 bucks, I think. So that's this box right here. That one's worth a good bit. Number 11, let's just grab another one. What you thinking, Nick?
13.
13 right here. All right. Number 13 is, you have a Yeezy Season 4 crew neck in black, the Calabasas. You have a Heron Preston crew neck right there. I want this. Pablo merch right here, the Pablo Los Angeles merch. And you have 2 pairs of shoes. We have a pair of Adidas Power Phase in black. And then we have a pair of Saucony. These are a nice bright purple Saucony. A little bit crazy, a little bit different, but a nice little pair to throw in there. That's it for that box. Again, some of the boxes might have shoes like the Sauconys that you guys might not wear, but it is a shoe that you guys can sell if you don't like them. Now, I think it is good to have a variety in your collection. I've had Sauconys throughout the years. Now, all of these boxes, if they're $500, are worth anywhere from $590 to like $700. It just ranges. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab a few things around my apartment as mystery, some Rejuvenator stuff, and throw it in each box so you guys can see. And I'm gonna take 1 pair of shoes and just toss them behind my head or something and see where they land, and that box they're gonna go in. Okay guys, so I decided to grab this pair right here. This is going to be a pair that goes in a random box. This does not add to the value. This is a surprise for one random person to win. This is just one of the items. So I'm gonna throw a pair back. Wherever it lands, that person gets this, and it's just an addition to their box. So let's see. What box is that? Box number 15. It's got some Supreme hoodies, some Supreme tees. We're gonna go ahead and put these in there. Now again, we're gonna be throwing some bonuses from Rejuvenator in these boxes as well. We're supposed to be getting another shipment in like today or tomorrow of a bunch of stuff to put in there. But again, I'm gonna be randomly putting these in different boxes so you guys can get some secret cleaning products. And then I just wanna grab some random stuff to throw in. Let's see what we got. Got some Pokemon cards in this tin from one of the videos we did. Check this out. See that? All these Pokemon cards. Somebody's gonna get this. This one right here. This one has New Balances. So if you get New Balances, you'll see that. I'm gonna put the Stranger Things Funko Pop in a box. I have the actual box for back there I'm gonna grab, but this is gonna go in, let's say, this one back here. There's Sauconys in it. Actually, this one's gonna go in the box with Timberlands. Back there. Just trying to find some stuff that I could throw in for you guys. Clear up some clutter around here too. We got a bunch of Supreme bouncy balls. These are gonna probably go in like every box that we can. All right, all the bouncy balls in here, bam. Bam, bam. I'm gonna put one of these Calls magnet sets in here. This is like 30 bucks worth. I'm gonna put it with the Bape tee and the bunch of different Jordan 5 lows. I'll probably try to add some more here and there once I find some stuff. Again, I'm trying to get rid of some clutter in my apartment. Maybe I'll just do one more pair of shoes extra. We got some Adidas Torsion Comp in a size 10.5. These are on my website, but nobody bought them, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook one of you guys up. We're gonna put it with this one over here. That's a good selection right there. There's a lot of extra stuff going in these. Again, I want to make this worth it, but with the stuff that you saw me unbox, value of them, used, new, whatever it is, adds up to $590, and that is that reasonably priced stuff. That is not like overpriced at like a store. That is actual price for the item. Some of the stuff you might not be able to sell immediately, but if you wait, you sit on it, you can sell it or you can wear it. It doesn't matter. But again, I'm trying to make this worth it. I'm trying to do as best as I can. There are a good amount of shoes in there that aren't the best. They're not Yeezys, they're not Off-White, but they are a shoe that I think are decent. Some of them I probably wouldn't wear, and I've told you about like those racer slides, they're like free in a box because I just don't feel like that's really worth it to many people. So if you guys go to my website, in the listing for the different items, there'll be a picture of what's inside. You don't have to click on that if you want it to be a mystery, as well as at the bottom of each listing is a list of the items that are in there that I'm talking about, like the main items that have the value and the values in there as well, so you guys can see beforehand if you want to buy it or not, or you can leave it a mystery and just buy one. So once the boxes sell out, that is it. There are $2,500 boxes and there are 4 $250 boxes, and if some of them don't sell, maybe I'll combine them, make a huge one eventually. But if you guys like this and are looking forward to another one, they sent me a manifest with like off-white with Gucci, like actually designer stuff. Maybe we can do that in the future. Leave a like down below and let me know. That is going to wrap it up this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.